How to fix Telegram not sending code to phone in just few steps. So let's dive right in. So for the first step, if you tap your number here and click on that next button and allow it, and after waiting a while, if it's still not sending you a code here, what you can do is, the first method is simply minimize it and open Play Store here. Then simply click on that search and search for VPN. Search it, you can open any of the one and simply install it. After installation, you have to open it and simply connect it. It will be connected. These are free VPNs. Then if you open this Telegram, it will take you to this next window here where it will send a code or call on your number. So in my case, I have just received a call from Telegram. So we'll tap here my verification code here that I get from the call. If you are still facing the issue to get Telegram code, what you can do is you can simply apply this second method from here. To do so, keep tap on that Telegram and simply click on this eye icon. It will open up this app info where you can simply uninstall it from here. After installation, you can open Play Store, search Telegram and simply install it from here again. This installation process will help you. So these were the two methods to fix this Telegram not sending code to phone in just few easy steps.